Alrighty guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are driving with Evan Shanks, taking the Turbski car up. Dazza is already at the track as I took it up Thursday before, so this is the Saturday. And I brought some spicy wheels. I brought me CR2Ps up, slash Nick's CR2Ps. I can only afford them. So ringing this up. Mine and the wife's anniversary, wedding anniversary today, so kind of stoked that she let me go drifting while Evan is here. So hopefully it'll be a good one. We're going to jump in with Evan at some point and we're going to see how he goes. I know he wants to jump back into, he's jumping back into drifting, but he wants to jump back into competition after a few years off. So we'll see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Hopefully Evan is not in the car. I think Luke's jumping on his door, so we're going to try to. Having a damn good time, and I'm literally driving the back end of the car to the point where my fuel tank's about to leave the car. Yeah, that's not good, eh? I have to check that out because that's a bit of a concern. Rear bars are probably melted in half. Yep. Yeah, it's melted in half. So yeah, look, I'm having a good time. So that's all that matters, eh? That's what we're here to do. Turbski out. Let's go. This Evan, this is not good, man. This the fluid. Look at that. Yeah, up the YouTube game. YouTube game strong. Love it. Treatment, and this Jesse's car sounds like what it looks like. That's not ideal. Peak Australian. How's the full bogan? Yeah, was that bogan enough? That was good. Limmy. Yeah. Limmy finger was. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we good. Alright. You got it. Alrighty guys, so to conclude the video, apologies, we didn't get to jump in with Evan into in his AU. We did get to do some laps as you've seen, but he did blow a radiator up. By the time they changed it was quite late in the evening. If I jumped, it was one of those things. He was already out track, he was taking some other passengers out, so we just drove together instead. So hope you guys enjoyed. He has loved the thing, he loves the Falcon. Also, he's talking to me about adding some power to the Falcon, so could be in the future we'll be doing some sort of boost things for his Falcon. So just got to make sure that his wife approves of all the builds when it comes to that, because it adds up quite quickly. So but he's pretty serious, he's definitely loving the Falcon, or same as Grant when he was here the other week. Freaking love that thing. So yeah, these guys, I know, I think we have it over here in Australia because we have V8 and 6-cylinders, but we have a lot of 6-cylinders and like straight 6s. In the US they don't have any straight 6s, so for them over here and just have a straight 6, apart obviously you got your RBs and 2Js and stuff like that, but in terms of like just a non-turbo big engine like a 4-litre, America didn't have that. So they really do appreciate that, because everything over there is kind of V8. So everything that's our size, like a Crown Vic, obviously Crown Vic's a bit bigger, V8. As much as it'd be kind of cool to have a V8, but they're all fairly low power V8, so it's one of those things. It's kind of like a low power 6-cylinder, low power V8. But anyway, we had a damn good time. Both me, Nicholas, finally put down some gangster laps. Cam as well, and big YouTube guy Jesse. We just had a damn good time, and a couple other boys there, Harry as well, and he's 31. Yeah, great time. So look forward to Archie's obviously coming to a close in the next few months, so we're gonna have to hit up Archie a whole lot more before the middle of the year. So you guys are going to get a heap of footage, but look, we're going to try and get things from different perspectives, different people driving, all that sort of stuff. So thanks guys for watching. And if you don't know, we've dropped our members thing, so you can join and support us. Thought I was going to get one over then. That'd be great. I've got some massive things installed that I really want to pretty much share with everyone, but we need to get the ball rolling. So be one of the first few to join up. That'd be sick, but because yeah, I've got some really cool things installed. I just can't say them yet, but I do. So thank you, we'll see you soon. Peace.